Through the heat of summer, the rain, and the long fasting hours of Ramadan, they have shown unwavering dedication. Please join me in giving them a well-deserved round of applause. Now I will request our Honorable CEO to say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here this evening for Iftar, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Ramadan is a time of reflection, unity, generosity, and a time when we come together as a community, strengthening our bonds. At My Dubai, we're more than a company. We're a team that thrives on hard work, dedication, and shared values. The success we achieve is because of your relentless efforts and your commitment and your passion for excellence. And tonight we celebrate together. Let us celebrate not just the blessed month, but also the spirit of teamwork, resilience that defines us. Ramadan teaches us patience, kindness, and the importance of giving. Let us carry these values beyond the holy month, supporting one another, uplifting those in need, and striving to make a positive impact both within the organisation and our communities we serve. I'm proud to lead such a dedicated team, and I'm confident that together we will continue to achieve great things. May this Ramadan bring you and your family peace, health and prosperity. Ramadan Kareem to you all.
I will request all the employees who are receiving long service award to come on this side. Those of you who are receiving 5 years and 10 years long service awards, I would request to come on this side of the stage. Naveed, 5 साल हो गया जाओ. Milan Grant.